Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix product not showing on Shopify. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Of course, that's the first step. Then after that, what you guys need to fix this problem is first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on products here, okay, in the left, as you can see, products, and then you want to click where it says here drafts, okay. Now make sure if Shopify only displays active active products, okay. Now you want to click for example on draft and see if you have any products here that are missing on your Shopify store. Now for example, if this product is not showing on your Shopify store, click on it and make sure you click on the state button here in the top right, and then click on active, okay, and then make sure you click on save. So make sure to save changes, and after that you want to go back and this product is going to appear now on your own Shopify store. Now you can also add, for example, if you want to add this product to, let's say you want to add it to, like you want to include it in sales channels, you can do that here. Just click on these three little dots here. Now also make sure the quantity is more than 1, because if it's 0, then the product is not going to be active, okay, it's going to be out of stock. So what you guys need to do, you want to increase the quantity of your product, okay. That's what you guys need to do, okay. So as you can see here guys, the quantity unavailable, make sure you increase the quantity so that people will be able to purchase the products from your Shopify store, okay. So that's exactly what you guys need to do to like fix the product not showing or missing in your own Shopify store. Now if this video guys, also make sure you check on archive and see if there is any product in the archive section here. If it's archived, you make sure you unarchive it, okay. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like and make sure you comment below any question you have. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next one.